Let me teach you how you can make massive money using the WhatsApp. I discovered this thing yesterday. I realized that a lot of people really want to try the internet to see if they can make something for themselves, but they don't know who to teach them or they don't know how to start. Let me teach you how you can make good money using the WhatsApp. Kindly do well to help me share this video, please. Thank you. Now you can see I have two WhatsApp here. I have the business WhatsApp and I have the normal WhatsApp. You can see them here, right? This is the business WhatsApp and this is the normal WhatsApp. But this thing I want to teach you now, it may not be on business WhatsApp. So you have to download this normal WhatsApp. If you're using business WhatsApp, you may not get this option there. Download the normal WhatsApp, right? Now, if you have this particular WhatsApp, you enter like this. You see this WhatsApp up here. You see the business WhatsApp. When you enter business WhatsApp, you will see business WhatsApp, right? Now you enter that particular WhatsApp, right? Then you see up here, you see this Ask Meta AI or search. You see this place? You see this cycle thing? This thing is turning. You see it? You tap on that place. Now see where you're going to Ask Meta AI. You type this thing. Create a logo with my name. Then you put this thing like this. Mr. Length2. Okay, type Mr. Length2. Then you close it like this. Then you put the color you want it to be on. I cannot say it on red and white color. I see what I type. Now you search this thing. You search it. I want them to give me a logo with my name. Give it just a second. It will come with the logos now. It will bring out the logos for you now. Are you seeing this beautiful one? Now, if you don't like this one, if the one they bring to you, you don't like it, you tell them create another one, please. They will give you a different one again. Watch. Now, after you have created these logos, after you can see the one they give me now, you can see it. After you have generated these logos, how can you make money with them? How do you sell them? Watch, you click on the logo like this and you save. You see save, you save it. The two, you can save as many as you want. If you like, tell them to send you 100, they will send it for you. Now, after getting all those logos, you're going to come to your browser like this. Then you search for Fiverr. Now here, you can see the design that people have created. You can see. You see this the person that created this design is even online. Risk 1A. I will design a luxurious 3D logo or design your company brand for you. Now this logo, how much is he selling this logo? You can see $25. That's a good money. How much are they saying this one? $40. You can see it and they don't make sense. Look like those ones, so they're not good. They don't look okay like compared to those ones that Meta AI will give you. Do you understand? See how much you are selling logo. $70, $45, $600 for this green wave. Are you see what I'm telling you? This $600 is you know how much? You know how much? 700 something K. Maybe small money. Now you're going to create an account with them. Click on this place. Click on this place like this. You just sign in. You click on the sign in. Here is where you're going to sign in with your Google, which is your email address. You're going to put your email address and then you create a password for yourself. You can see I will send it with my email address like this. Then I'm going to I'll click continue. They're going to send me some text on my email address, which I will go there to confirm it. You can see it. They have already created me. They have already created me now. You can see it now. They have already seen my name, linked to Simon. They are done creating my account. What you will need to do is to upload those logos and put a little amount, not put too much money, so that people can be able to patronize or buy it from you. Once you put money more than the logo, this thing design, at least it makes no sense. You do not make any money from it, man. You can create more than different logos and then upload them and make money from it. You get it? But put little money that people can be able to patronize you on. That's what I'm trying to let you understand. Remember I said normal WhatsApp and then Fiverr logo design as a website, and then you create it and you make cool money. Even you can be in your home, your comfort zone, and be doing that and make cool money for yourself. Guys, all these my videos are for educational purpose. Do well to let me share this video. Thank you very much.